Simba the German Shepherd never stays quiet. Every command sounds like the beginning of an argument, complete with dramatic grumbles and hilarious complaints. And when little Apollo, a playful golden puppy, joined the family, the peaceful house became a non-stop comedy show. Carol and her husband adopted Simba from a local shelter, expecting a calm and confident guard dog. Instead, they discovered a giant softie with plenty to say. During training, Simba follows every instruction but makes sure everyone hears his opinion first. His excited spins are so powerful that his tail thumps against the walls like a drum.